To add a bit of contrast to the paintwork, a few drops of white was added to the intermediate blue and blended into the paintwork. Once the paint was dried, it was then time to mask off the paintwork for the painting of the dark blue layer. To aid in the masking process, a paint scheme illustration was used as a template that was first printed off my computer using a standard inkjet printer with the illustrations resized to match the dimensions of the model. The lower surface was cut out from the drawing using a standard hobby knife, making a masking template. Once done, a large piece of masking tape was marked using a black permanent marker and the paper template. With the tracing of the shape completed, it was a matter of cutting out the shape and applying the masking tape piece onto the model. After the masking tape was applied, it was time to paint. The way I brush paint a transparent colour like white requires multiple thin coats of paint, starting with a few drops of acrylic thinner mixed into some white paint, which was lightly brushed over the model with a new flathead paintbrush. After plenty of drying time, another coat of paint was applied in the same way, first using a small round head paintbrush to get into the small gaps around the wing roots and landing gear. Once done, the rest of the paint was applied with a flathead paintbrush. Finally, the fifth and final layer of paint was applied. The white part of the camouflage was completed. It was then time to paint all the smaller parts. The chosen paint scheme of my model Wildcat depicts an aircraft from the escort carrier, the USS Manila Bay, with this interesting tail chevron. To make it in miniature, I made a cutting template from a scale drawing, which was copied onto a spare set of text decals. I first marked the edges with a pencil, then used a sharp hobby knife to cut the letter to shape. And once done, the white bands were applied with micro sol and micro set, with a spare white serial number that was also applied, along with the rest of the decals in the same way. And with the final parts attached to the model, the project was completed, and so is this video. Thank you for watching, and good luck with all your ongoing scale modeling projects. Here it is, the completed model.